Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove hello pin on Windows on your laptop. This is Windows 11. I got Windows 11. So when every time turning on your laptop, you will see that you need to enter the pin. So I'm entering the pin, and then the laptop will be opened. So how we remove this pin, we go to left button of the laptop on your desktop, right click, go to taskbar settings. On taskbar settings, you go to here on the left side, accounts, and then you go to sign-in options. Here, sign-in options. Now you go to pin, Windows hello, sign in with a pin recommended. I don't like it, I will remove it. Change pin, no. Remove this sign-in option. So in order to remove this, you go to additional settings. You need to disable for improved security, only allow Windows hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device recommended. You need to turn it off, and then the remove button will be on. So you need to turn it off, and then you will be able to remove the pin, but you need to close, and then again go to right click, taskbar settings, and then accounts, same steps, sign-in options. Now we disabled additional settings for improved security. Then we go to, already we did, so you go to pin, and now you can click on remove this sign-in option. Are you sure you want to remove? Having a pin makes it easier. If you are using face or fingerprint, they will stop working if you remove your pin. Okay, remove. Alright, so in order to do so, you need to verify your Microsoft account. You need to type in your password. Press OK. That's it. Hello pin OK. For hello window is no pin now. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Bye.